To set up a Pinterest business account, simply go to pinterest.com/business/create. Enter your email and password. Now you are going to need a unique email for each business account that you are to establish. If you're looking to link a specific website with your Pinterest business account, you'll need individual business accounts for each separate website. So I'm going to enter my new business. We're going to click Create Account. Next, we're going to pick our country that we're going to primarily market to and the language. Now, give your business profile a name. Mine is Ballen's Beauty Boutique. Tell us about your business. I'm going to put other, and the reason for that is, well, actually, let me try retailer. Nah, I'm going to put other. There is a difference once you get inside. If you notice any problems, like you're not able to add links or do anything, it's probably the way your business was set up. So keep that in mind later. I'm just going to go ahead and put other for now. I'm going to click next. Okay, now we're going to add our website. And in my case, I am going to use my anti-aging shampoo website because that's going to be my focus for now. Later, I'm going to replace this with the website I'm doing SEO on, but for now, I'm going to do this. Next. Okay, now we can add in an Instagram account if we want to. I've got a couple. I think ideally it'd be nice to have an individual Instagram account for each business, an individual Facebook page for each business, an individual YouTube for each business. However, if you're an influencer, having them all connected at one is also a benefit. So you'll have to decide what's right for you. Okay, I also have a YouTube channel. And I'm going to have to come back to that one. I'm going to come back to that one. Okay. Would you be interested in running ads? Yes, I'm interested. Actually, I'm just going to put I'm not sure yet and come back because we're going to do that on another video. Get started with pins we've already found on your website. I'm going to come back to that. Skip. Choose topics that would describe your business. Okay, now you can choose several. So for mine, it's beauty. So I'm going to choose hair and beauty, makeup, nails, hairstyles, braids. Love it. Eye makeup. Let me see how many is it going to let me choose. Skincare. Oh, a lot. Quite a few. Okay, that looks like it. And I'm going to click done. And now it starts finding other pins and allows us to begin creating our first pin. So let's just go ahead and do one really quick. I am going to go, let's do one from my website. All right, we'll just go ahead and do this page right here. So here it's saying add a title. So I'm going to add this thermal protecting shield. Now let's add the URL. Choose a board. So we're going to have to create our first board. We're going to call this one anti-aging hair care products that promote hair growth. Okay. Now we can save from site or we can drag and drop a picture. So let's try save from site, enter website, and now it will pull images from that page that we could choose. Perfect. Now, for SEO, this is going to be important, our title and our description. In fact, I'm going to change this title. Thermal Protectant Styling Shield, Anti-Aging Hair Care. Because my main keyword is going to be anti-aging hair care. Promotes growth. Okay, and then here I can find a description. Okay, and then I'll click Save. And now we have our first pin. Now we also want to have a profile set up. So you can just click here and, oh, we can do the pin code, okay. Or we can go up here. Let's go ahead and go to, we want to edit our profile. Settings. Here we go. Okay, and I generally suggest that we still use a personal brand. Okay, so business type, we've got other, contact name. I'm going to change that to Lori Ballen. Change picture, and I could go ahead and use any photo I want to. Whoops, that's my daughter. Let's go ahead and grab mine. Nope, that's an old one. Hold on. Let me just go ahead and do this. I'm going to save my new one from my social media picture. I just uploaded a new picture last night, so we'll download this one. Okay, go back to our Pinterest. Choose photo. Okay, then you do a little about you. Okay. So see how you can come back here later and claim your YouTube channel and all of that. I do need to do that. So I just need to look up which email it is. Okay, now notifications. So if you want to be notified by anything that happens on Pinterest or by email or push notifications, you can edit that here. Right now I have everything on. Okay, here now you can connect your Facebook profile to log in. You can connect your Google if you want to log in. All right, and save settings. So that is the very, very basics of setting up your Pinterest business account. Continue to follow this series as I will be teaching you more about how to use Pinterest in your business. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today.